Have you been going to your primary care doctor, specialist, therapist, immunologist, or even a functional medicine practitioner, but you're still not getting any better? In this video, I'm going to explain to you why relying on insurance providers solely as your healthcare option can actually keep you searching for more and more answers, feeling more and more frustrated and hopeless without ever addressing the underlying causes of what is driving your chronic health issues. Maybe you're dealing with things like autoimmune systems, chronic fatigue, anxiety, brain fog, inflammation, gut issues, or mystery symptoms. The insurance model isn't really designed for complex chronic health issues, and especially in our society where the system is designed to keep you on prescriptions that make it manageable with whatever symptom you're dealing with. And it's not really a great business model if you're in the business of healing people so that they don't need you anymore. And I want to be clear, this isn't about blaming doctors. I have tremendous respect for physicians. They save lives every single day. And insurance based medicine is incredibly important for emergencies, infections, surgery, acute illness, and many chronic conditions. However, complex chronic health issues are very different because it's not necessarily an emergency and it involves a lot of time and energy in investigating where the dysfunction is in the body. Many healthcare providers, whether conventional or integrative, are working within their own real world constraints, like they have limited appointment times and reimbursement rules from insurance and the specific tests that the insurance will cover and won't cover. So when you only have 10 or 15 minutes with a patient, how are you supposed to investigate the root cause of all these symptoms? And how do you connect environmental exposure and stress and nutrition and gut health and sleep and hormones and immune function and mold exposure and life events that have happened? And sometimes these conversations take time and they don't simply fit into the traditional healthcare model of 10 to 15 minutes and then send you really quickly on your way. And that's why so many people that go this route, they end up leaving saying, "Why is everybody telling me that my labs look normal, but I feel awful and feel like I'm falling apart?" So, root cause is a lot more than just natural medicine. So this is another huge misconception that I see all the time with people is people think they're pursuing root cause healing because they're seeing a functional medicine practitioner. And sometimes that's true, but a lot of times it isn't. Instead of what I would identify as root cause, what I find people are doing is they are finding primary care physicians and functional medicine practitioners that understand natural alternatives to prescriptions. So they're using natural supplements instead of prescription medications, which that isn't exactly root cause medicine. That's just swapping one thing out for the other. Root cause means asking, why did this happen? What triggered these things? What is keeping the body stuck in this dysfunction? What happened to this individual before these symptoms started? What environmental factors could be playing a role in all of this that might have been overlooked? What lifestyle, immune or metabolic patterns are happening, what psychological factors might be in there, what micronutrient deficiencies are going on. And the goal isn't simply replacing a prescription with a natural alternative. Root cause is about identifying and addressing the drivers that are contributing to your ongoing health issues. And for me, one of those was mold. For a lot of people, there's an underlying toxic element. For others, it's poor gut health and gut inflammation or chronic infections, or it's a nutrient deficiency, or it's a nervous system that's dysregulated. So it wasn't until I identified my own root cause and years of everything that I've done in getting board certified that nothing else worked until we got clear on what that was. So I hear this almost every single week. I get Instagram messages, emails, people reaching out to me on YouTube who are saying, "Hey, I saw your video. It really resonated with me. You are talking directly to me, and I really want to work with you, but I need to use my insurance." And I completely understand that. I mean, I went through that and I understand the thinking behind that because healthcare is expensive. Life is expensive too, though. And if that is you, I want you to really ask yourself something of how much have you already spent realistically of doctor visits, specialists, copay, testing, supplements, medications, having to call out of work sick, lost energy, missing family events, missing social events, the emotional cost of not feeling like yourself, of continuing to have the same symptoms and the same issues and not feeling any better, no matter how many of these different doctors and specialists you see. Because sometimes the most expensive decision is not necessarily investing in yourself, it's delaying investing in yourself while hoping that the next copay appointment will finally give you the answers and not leave you on another rabbit trail going to another doctor and specialist. So, if you're watching this and thinking, this is exactly where I am, I want you to know something. You're not crazy. You're not alone. You're not lazy. You're not failing. Your body's not betraying you and falling apart with some unfixable thing that every doctor tells you. You just have to live with this. Oh, it's just stress. Oh, it's just age. Oh, it's just life. Like, we'll just talk about how to manage this. None of that is true. There is a clear, direct connection between whatever your root cause is that is keeping you from feeling the way that you want. And your body is simply just communicating with you that something needs attention. So the question is whether you're willing to keep chasing these symptoms and delaying your healing, or whether you're finally ready to investigate what's actually driving them. I would love to help you get to the root cause of what's driving all this, come up with a personalized healing plan for you, and help you get your life back so that you don't waste more time and you don't waste more years delaying what is ready for you. So I'd love to help you with this. Your next step would be to book a one-on-one root cause consultation with me. The link is below in the description of this video. And what'll happen on that call? It's about an hour to an hour and a half. It is a very comprehensive call. We'll discuss your health history, everything that you've tried, what's been missing, whether long-term working together makes sense or not, or if I have other recommendations that I think would be better for you. Because true healing isn't about finding another doctor that your insurance covers. It's about finding somebody who takes the time to ask the right questions and get to the root cause of what everything is being driven by, and then helping you get your life back. So if this video resonated with you, then make sure to subscribe to the channel. Every week I share super science-based, evidence-based, client-based education on root cause healing. And if you know somebody else who might benefit from this video, who has been on this vicious cycle with endless appointments without any real progress, you can also send them this video. It might be the direction and the perspective that they need. But until next time, see you in the other videos.